What's up? You like the car?
Yes, sir. Sick.
Hi, how are you?
Sheesh, got the cage on already?
I got the cage in there. This shit looks crazy.
Looks sick.
Well, what's up, guys? I want you another video. This is actually the second vlog I'm making today. If you guys have not watched last video, we actually put the roll cage in the F80 and it looks crazy, bro. It actually looks insane. Looks like a race car. I got a race car now, bro. I feel like the roll cage really suits the CS. It was a perfect car to put it in. I really wanted a roll cage for the G80, but like I said, I think it suits the F80 CS way more, bro. It looks sick in here. Straight up race car vibes, bro. We have made it here to Beamer Plug because we are about to make the F80 look even better than it does. Got my boy Paulo here with his M4. Drake. I said you look like Drake in your last post on Instagram.
You look fire, huh?
That was funny. Me and Kevin were like, bro, is that Drake? We made it here to Beamer Plug, guys. I cannot wait for today. Today we're about to add a ton of carbon fibers to this car. I think front lip, I think diffuser, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber front grills. What else are we adding? We're doing a lot, bro. And we possibly might throw on the CS spoiler, which I have in the trunk still. But we are adding a ton of carbon fiber and I cannot wait to see how it's gonna look. The carbon's really gonna change the car, bro. Right now, without the front lip on, the car just looks way too stock. Way too stock for my liking, bro. But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, smash the like button right now before we get into the video, and subscribe to the channel too if you guys are not subscribed yet. I believe when you guys are watching this, today is Beamer Invasion, so hopefully I see you guys there. If you guys are not there, you guys are missing out. But I'm gonna have the F80 there and the G80 there, and we're also gonna be selling merch there as well. So if you guys want to cop the merch in person, come to Beamer Invasion today. I think when this video is going up, we're gonna be at Beamer Invasion. I'm looking forward to it. My first time ever with a booth and a canopy. First time ever selling merch in person, and the first time you guys will get to see the F80 in person and the G80 together. So at Irwindale Speedway, 12 p.m. probably the time this video is going up. Oh, the cage looks so good. I can't believe we put a roll cage in the F80, guys. It looks insane. We gotta get little like bolsters. So these are the side bolsters. We took them out because unfortunately it doesn't fit with the roll cage. Damn! Kevin's private jets are just flying over like nothing. Stock bolsters don't fit here with the roll cage now. We could try to squeeze it in there, but it's gonna mess up the factory seats, and I don't wanna mess up the seats. We did no cutting in the seats. This cage doesn't involve no cutting, which is good. What I'm gonna do, I think, one of my homies, what he did was he bought like 3 series bolsters and cut those instead of cutting the factory CS seats. Might do that, or we might do a full seat delete in here. Kind of like how the M4 GTSs come, all Alcantara and suede, just a whole seat delete. I think that will look clean as well. What do you guys think about the no wing? Should I put the wing on or no? I know it seems kind of dumb to not put the CS wing on a CS car because the wing actually comes factory on this car, but kind of like a wingless. I think wingless, when it's slammed with the big diffuser, it looks so good like that, bro. It's my favorite setup. That's how we had it on my last F80. Today we're gonna add the diffuser under tray, my favorite diffuser of all time. I feel like every F80 or F82 needs that under tray diffuser. I think Paulo has it, look. Yup, look at that. It's the best diffuser, bro, on F80s. Every F80 needs this diffuser, bro. And it's gonna change the whole entire rear end of this. Then side skirts, and then front lip, mirror caps, and maybe front grills too, like these. The carbon fiber front grills will be fire. And all the parts we're about to install right now is from Beamer Plug, guys. If you guys don't know Beamer Plug already, which I'm sure you guys do, because we have Beamer Plug on all of my cars. They sell tons of carbon fiber parts and tons of other accessories for all BMWs. Literally the BMW plug, the Beamer Plug. If you guys need anything installed, they even do in-house installs now, or any other carbon fiber parts. Anything that we're gonna install today, hit up Beamer Plug. I'll leave their Instagram right here. You could also use code FindingNick at checkout and I'll give you guys a discount. I got that for you guys. This lip is kind of cool too. This is actually the GT4 style lip. Kind of like replicating the E92 GT4 style lip, if you guys remember that one. Same one lip that I had on my E92. But that's like a new style that just came out, and what do you guys think about that? It's just very aggressive, and eventually I'm gonna lower my car more and I know I'm gonna break that lip, bro. I think we might just stick with the CS style lip. I'm into CS, bro. You know, we gotta keep some of the CS parts on it. And the lip looks good. Last time you guys will see it, stock, bro. We're finally gonna add the mods today. Look at all the carbon they have in stock. Again, these are the Beamer Plug, I'm telling you. Look how many lips, bro. It's insane, dude. For every type of BMW you guys can think of. They have everything, bro. Look at all this. Sheesh. So much stuff, bro. And even paddles. Oh, I need these, bro. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking, bro. Look how many parts there are. Oh my god, dude. The whole diffuser, like I said, the best diffuser you can buy for this car. It's so sick. Every F80 needs this, bro. And then we got the CS lip. We gotta go with the CS, bro. The CS at the end of the day. It doesn't stick out that much. Like, it still looks good, but it's not so aggressive where I'm gonna break it, bro. We got the mirror caps. The mirror caps are gonna be sick, all carbon. And then this part of the diffuser. I think it's like 3 pieces. And we got the side skirts. I can't wait to install everything. It's gonna change the whole car. Right now it looks so stock without any carbon. Bro, we put the lip on, it looks so much better. There's a huge difference. I swear these cars are so ugly without a front lip, but looks so much better. It's the CS style lip. Damn, this thing is so freaking nice. Poor lip. I don't want it to break. One day maybe, but I hope not. Also got the side skirts on here. These look so freaking clean too. I love this, bro. It's literally the same exact side skirts we had on my last F80. Car is already coming together like crazy. We did the mirror caps too. These are super freaking nice. Look at the fitment, bro. It looks literally like OEM fitment. And now for the best part, we're about to do the diffuser. That is literally the best part. This is the one I was most excited for. Just seeing the big under tray carbon fiber diffuser. All that carbon underneath the car that you don't even see, but it's so sick. And we're taking off all the CS stuff. People are gonna hate us, bro. OEM CS diffuser, OEM CS wing. Honestly, that shit's worth a lot, huh?
Yeah. Yes.
The CS stuff? I think the wing is like 1,500, bro. The real CS wing.
Yeah, you're just throwing it around in the trunk and shit.
And that diffuser is probably worth a lot too. Guys, the last diffuser only like stuck out right here, but this has a little extension right here, another piece right here, and then the under tray. It's like a 4-piece diffuser, bro. Damn, look at that, guys. The whole under tray is on. That is sick, bro. So much carbon, dude. It's so sad that there's so much carbon, but you'll never see it. Every F80 needs this diffuser, bro.
You almost stepped on your
Damn, that thing is nice. I almost stepped on the OEM one, huh? That's how it would look, guys, look. Well, it looks good either way. I know it does. Like, it looks good with or without it. Damn, it does look good like that too, but... I don't know, bro.
Yeah, it needs a wing. Yeah.
I feel like it looks too OEM.
Put the wing on, bro.
I want my car to look modified, bro. I don't know. You can't go wrong. But I might rock it without a wing, guys. It just looks clean, dude. I don't know. Especially when the car's slammed, like Paulo was saying. That shit is...
It looks like more like a track car.
Yeah.
Without this cover. You know what it's sick too? Like
What?
an actual wing.
A big wing?
Like a wing, yeah.
Honestly, that would be sick.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna go with the whole track look, big wing, what do you guys think?
Bad tires, wing.
That would look crazy. I wish I didn't damage my last TEs on my last F80, but we got in an accident and they were all messed up, bro. So the TEs are gone. But I wish I had those wheels again because I would throw those on in a heartbeat, bro, and the car would be perfect. I wouldn't have to do anything else. Once the TEs are on and that fitment goes back to how it was, whew, shit would be fire. Now, we got one more part to install. My boy Paulo's gonna help me install it because we have to take off the front bumper for this mod. You guys remember my last F80? Check this out. I had like this custom brace bar in the front grille. So it replaces the OEM grille or brace bar. So a lot of F80s, they add the little accent color in the front grille. Paulo actually has Austin yellow to match the outside of the car. It looks really good, bro, but that's the brace bar that comes OEM. Usually it's just black, so you don't really see it in the grille. And there's nothing under here. It's only those two, like the two triangle parts right there, right? But my boys over at Lower Class Garage, they make this crazy brace bar for the F80s and the M4s as well. Also the M2s, I believe, too, it fits. And it changes the entire design. I'll put a picture of my old F80. My guys sent me over a white brace bar this time. Instead of that candy red I had last time, white is actually gonna look so good with the white roll cage. See, we're starting to add white accents on the outside, which is good. Maybe white calipers, I don't know. I think that'll look hard. But right now, as you guys can see, look, see the black one in there? It's all dusty and gray. It's not even black. It's crazy because like where they originated from, they were doing like Subarus and like JDM cars. And then my boy Alonzo was like, you know what? Why don't we make one for the BMW guys? If you guys want to grab this for your F80 or F82 or even the M2s, I think it fits as well. Same fitment. I'll leave their Instagram right here. Go check them out. You guys could also use code FindingNick on there as well. I'll also give you guys a little discount on this too. Out with the old.
Yes, sir.
That shit ugly.
Shit, that's ugly ass. I need to replace mine.
Look at that. Bro, it's so much brighter. It's actually crazy, huh? Guys, and we are done, bro. That shit looks crazy. You can literally see the whole brace bar through the grills now. We actually ended up doing carbon fiber grills as well. So see, I seen the vision, bro. It was the white cage, white on the inside, and then the white brace bars right here to match. So literally flows with the whole entire car now. I think maybe white calipers. What do you guys think? And some people even said maybe white wheels. White wheels might look cool too. Everything is done. Now I gotta start being careful how I drive, because now we have a fresh front lip on it and I do not want to break it. We're gonna have a little photo shoot real quick before the sun goes down so we can show all the new carbon on the car. Hopefully we won't break it on the way of the photo shoot. It's not that low though. My last F80 was ridiculously low. You guys might remember the first day I installed the lip on the last F80, it lasted, I swear to God, like 2 minutes, bro. We put it out of PQ and then scraped the whole bottom. We've already done so much to this car in like 24 hours. Literally could have made that video that we were talking about. Building an F80 in 24 hours, bro.
Building an F80 in 10 minutes.
We got Kevin's G80, but my boy Jake's driving it. Then we got Paulo's Austin Yellow M4. The cage looks crazy. Look in the mirror. I can't see nothing. It's just a full roll cage in the back seat now. Shit looks crazy. Damn, dude. I love this car now. Wow. I might like it better than the G80.
You did everything that you wanted to do to your last one already
Literally, bro.
to this one in like not even like a month.
24
not
hours.
Even, like we started the build process 2 days ago.
I know, dude. It's insane. Crazy, bro. Oh my God. He just swung the whole corner. I don't even think I filmed it. Oh, boy, Paulo got hands.
Brazilian hands, bro.
Oh, boy, got manos.
Zapalo.
That's it, loud. Bro, I don't know how he swung it like that. Bro, you see how close he was to the curb?
Yeah.
How'd you do that? Yeah, Kevin's car looks sick. And the Meisters with the carbon hood. I like the carbon hood on the black car because you can't really tell that it's carbon. It's nice. You get up close, you're like, damn, that shit carbon? With the orange buckets too. All over me. What the heck, bro? That shit is loud. Bro, honestly, the yellow doesn't look that bad, but the white will look way better, trust. With all the white accents too, the white DRLs will look fire. Anyways, I am so happy how the car app came out, guys. Again, if you guys want anything BMW related, carbon fiber parts, all the carbon pieces that I put on my F80, if you guys want those or anything else, check out Beamer Plug's website right here. And if you guys do cop something, make sure you guys use code FindingNick at checkout. I got you guys on a cool little discount on there. And also shout out to my boys over at Lower Class Garage for that crazy brace, bro. I think that really tied together everything with the roll cage, all white, everything. Same goes for that, guys. If you guys want one for your F80 or M2 or F82, or check out the website. They have Subarus and other cars too. You can also use code FindingNick for a discount on that as well. Honestly, it's super sick. Not that many F80s have them, so it's very different. What's up, guys? You watching another video?
Again?
Just kidding. Alright, guys, it's been a long time, dude. Like, literally, it's been such a long day. I'm ready to go to sleep, bro. I'm actually in the middle of editing a video, but that has been such a long day. We've been in the heat all day today. I made 2 videos today, one of the roll cage and one of the Beamer Plug carbon fiber. All in one day, guys. We've been out since 7 a.m. and it is 11:30, almost midnight. We actually met one of the homies. I'll leave his Instagram right here, but he's doing our headlights.
Amazing work.
Honestly, yeah.
He needs like the plug of the plug.
Yeah, he does a really good job. He actually restores headlights, and he actually met us here. We got here just on time from Beamer Plug. Met us here. He actually redid my headlights. I didn't film any of the process, but I'll show you some of Chris's car because Chris is also doing his headlights too. Check this out. My headlights were so bad. I think I showed you guys on camera, I think, but check this out. Whoa, no way, bro.
It looks so good.
Wow, bro, she looks so much better.
It literally looks brand new.
It does, dude. These were super beat up, but he brought them back to life somehow. I don't know how. I don't know if I showed it before and after, but I had to ask the homie if he has a picture. If I do, I'll put a picture on the screen right here. Look how bad they were. Like, it was actually horrible, but now they literally look brand new. This guy literally does amazing work. I'm not gonna lie. You like the cage, G?
Love it.
It's a GTS now.
Cage boys.
Car looks insane. This is Kevin's first time seeing the car, guys. I haven't even showed him the roll cage, but yeah, now both our cars have roll cages in them. He's over here doing Chris's headlights now. Chris's were just as bad. I think mine was maybe a little worse, but bro, how'd you do that? You did some magic over there, bro.
Yeah, man, thank you.
That's crazy.
Look a lot better, huh?
I know. My boy pulled up at midnight, bro. I'm sorry.
Nah, hey, bro. Available 24/7, right?
That's fire. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. Don't forget though, tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon at noon, Sunday 12 p.m. the merch shop drops online. Shop findingnick.com. Cop the merch. It will sell out. Whatever's left is gonna be on the website. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the F80. It came out so good. And we're not even done yet. We still gotta put different wheels on the car and a couple other things too I wanna do. But comment down below. Let me know what you think about the F80 so far. Don't forget the merch shop tomorrow, 12 p.m. Set your alarms, guys. Whatever didn't sell at Beamer Invasion, which I think is probably gonna sell out, whatever is left is gonna be on the website. And once it's gone, it's gone. So don't sleep on it. It's very, very limited. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.